Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about archiving in Linux. And archiving means that you collect a number of files and directories and put them together in an archived file by the extension tar. The use of archiving is when you collect a number of files and directories in a single file, you can then use this file as a backup for your data. It's like a container, and you can save this backup in a flash memory or on a CD-ROM, or save it in another place on the hard disk. Okay, so now let's first display the files and directories that I have over here. I'll type ls. And now, for example, I would like to archive the documents directory over here. So to archive, you will type the command tar -cvf and then the name of the file after it's archived, documents-backup.tar, and of course you can change the name here to anything, but the extension must be .tar, and then the directory that you want to archive, the directory or file that you want to archive. In this case, I would like to archive the documents directory. So now I'm telling it to archive the documents directory and then name the archived file as documents-backup. And as I said, of course, you can change here the name to anything, but the extension must be .tar, and enter. Okay, now I'll clear the page and then ls and enter. And as you can see here, I have the archived file of the directory documents. Okay, now what is the use of this? For example, an error happened and the documents directory has been removed. I will type, for example, now rm-rvf and then remove the documents directory. Okay, as you can see now, the documents directory have been removed. After the documents directory has been removed, I still have the backup or the archived file. Okay, now I would like to get the data back and the directory and its content. How can I get this archived file back to its normal state? Or in other words, extract the archived file. To extract the archived file, you will type the command tar -xvf and then type the name of the archived file that you want to extract, which is, in this case, will be documents-backup.tar, and the option X over here is the option of extraction, and you will press enter. Okay, now I'll clear the page and I'll type ls, and as you can see, it showed me the documents directory back again. It has extracted the file and returned it to its normal state, the documents directory. Okay, now there is a command that you can use to view the content of the archived file before you extract it. For example, you have several archived files and you are searching for a particular file or directory, and you need to know the content before you extract it. So to know the content of a directory or of an archived file and view its contents, you will type the command tar -tvf and then the name of the archived file, which is in this case documents-backup.tar, and enter. And as you can see, it has shown for you the contents that are inside this archived file. There is another thing you can do with the tar command. You can also add another file or directory to this archived file. For example, this is the archived file that I have, and I would like to add this file over here, password.txt, to this archived file. So to add a file into the archived file, you will type tar minus rvf and then the name of the archived file, and then the name of the file that you would like to add, in this case password.txt, and then you'll press enter. Okay, now let's view its contents. We will type the other command, the first one over here, the one with the tvf, and this displays the contents of the archived file, and press enter. And you can see here that the password.txt file has been added to the archived file. So by this lesson you have viewed the tar command. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.